You found somebody else, and at first I thought it was a lie. I took all my things that make sounds, the rest I can do without. Your body, but I hate to think about you with somebody else. Our love has gone cold. You're intertwining your soul with somebody else. I'm looking through you while you're looking through your phone, and then leaving with somebody else. No, your body, but I'm picturing your body with somebody else. I don't want your body, I don't want your body, I don't want your body. Come on, baby, this ain't